Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Kharajku Orchid School. Dear students, in our last session we have seen how to do the addition and subtraction of weight. Okay, now today we are going to solve story sums on weight. So open your textbook, page number 70. Look at the board, exercise 5.11, story sums on weight. See the first story sum, read the question from the textbook. You have to keep your textbook open in front of you. First example, Vikas bought 14 kilogram 200 gram of rice from one shop and 17 kilogram 950 gram of rice from another shop. How much rice did he buy in all? See here, what is the question? Vikas bought two types of rice from two shops. Okay, from one shop he bought 14 kg 200 gram. Okay, and from another shop he bought 17 kg 950 gram rice. Okay, and the question is how much rice did he buy in all? See the word in all means here we have to do the addition. Okay, see first what we will do, 14 kg 200 gram plus 17 kg 950 gram. So let us do the addition and then we will see how much rice did he buy in all. So what you have to do, 14 kg 200 gram plus 17 kg, how many grams? 950 grams. Just we have to add these two weight. Okay, then we will get how much rice did he buy in all. Okay, so let us do the addition. So here what you have to do, you have to make two columns. First for kilogram and the another column is for gram. Okay, properly you have to draw box and in that only you have to write the given numbers and then only you have to solve. Okay, you have to leave one line for the carry. So in this way first you have to make box, then put the values in the box. 14 kg 200 grams plus 17 kg 950 grams. Okay, now very simple, you have to do the addition. 0 plus 0, always we should start from the right side. Okay, so here first we'll add the grams column. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, then 2 plus 9, yes, 2 plus 9, 11. So here you have to write only 1 and we'll give 1 carry to the kilograms column. Okay, now you have to add these three digits. Now we'll add kilograms. 1 plus 4 plus 7. So 1 plus 4, 5 and 5 plus 7, 12. So we'll write here 2 and 1 carry. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So what is the answer? 32 kilogram and 150 grams. So how much rice did he buy in all? He bought 32 kg 150 gram rice in all. So in this way you have to write the answer at the end. Okay, now we'll move to the next example. Read the question. The weight of two children are 27 kg 250 gram and 32 kg 59 gram respectively. Find their total weight. See, you have to read the question very carefully and you have to underline the keywords. Now see, in first example the keyword was all. All means you have to do the addition. Okay, Here also total. Total means again you have to do the addition. See here, they are given us the weight of the two children. The weight of first children is 27 kilogram and 250 gram, and the weight of other children is 32 kg 59 grams, and we have to find out the total weight. So total means what? Here also we have to do the addition. Okay, so let us do the addition. What was the weight of the two children? 27 kg to 50 gram. Then weight of the other children is 32 kg 59 gram. Okay, what you have to do here? You have to make one box. You have to make two columns. First is for kilogram and another is for gram. Then you have to leave one line for the carry. In this way you have to make column, you have to make properly box, and then you have to put the values in that. What was the weight of the first child? 27 kg to 50 gram. So we'll write here 27 kg to 50 grams. And the weight of the other child is 32 kg 59 grams. Now see, while writing 59, how you have to write? See, this 250, it is a 3-digit number. Okay, and this 59, it is a 2-digit number. So this is ones place, this is tens, and this is hundreds place. So 59, as it is a 2-digit number, so you have to start from the tens place. Okay, don't write here at hundreds place anything. Now do the addition. 0 plus 9, 9. 5 plus 5, 10. So here we have to write 0 and we have to give 1 carry to the hundreds place. Then 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. Now add the kilograms. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus 3, 5. Okay. So what was the total weight? The total weight is 59 kilogram 309 gram. Understood? Okay. Now see the next example. Mr. Pandit bought 2 kg 5 grams potatoes and 1 kg 225 grams tomatoes. What is the total weight of the vegetables he bought? See, again you have to read the question very carefully. Mr. Pandit bought 2 kg 500 gram potatoes and 1 kg 225 gram tomatoes. What is the total weight of the vegetable he bought? See here. What is the word? What is the total weight? Means again here also you have to do the addition. Okay. How many kilograms potato he bought potatoes? He bought 2 kg 500 grams potatoes and 1 kg 225 grams tomatoes. Okay, when you will add these two weights, then you will get the total weight of the vegetable whatever he bought. So what do we do? 2 kilogram 500 gram plus 1 kilogram 225 grams. In this way you have to add these two numbers. It is very easy. So this third example you have to solve by your own. Now we'll move to the fourth example. Read the question. A child has 3 kg 325 gram of books and 1 kg 950 gram of exercise books in her school bag. See, a child has 3 kilogram 325 gram of books and 1 kg 950 gram of exercise books in her school bag. If the empty school bag weighs 730 gram, find the weight of the filled school bag. See, what is the question? A child has 3 kg 325 gram of books and 1 kg 950 of exercise books in her school bag. If the empty school bag weighs 730 gram, find the weight of the filled school bag. See here, they had given us the weight of the empty school bag also. What was the weight of the empty school bag? The weight of the empty school bag is 730 gram. Okay, and in that some books are there, and the weight of the books is 3 kilogram 325 gram. Okay, and some exercise books are there, and the weight of that exercise books is 1 kg 950 gram. And the question is, find the weight of the filled school bag. Filled school bag means we have to, when we will add these three weights, then we will get the filled school weight of the filled school bag. So let us do the addition here. What is the weight of the books? 3 kg 325 grams. 3 kg 325 grams plus, then what is the weight of the exercise books? 1 kg 950 gram. And they had given us the weight of the empty school bag also. What is the weight of the empty school bag? 730 gram. When we will add these three weights, then we will get the weight of the filled school bag. Okay, so let us do the addition. Here kilogram and gram. So here we have to make two columns. So make the columns properly. Here three numbers are there, addition of three numbers. Now you have to fill the given values. 3 kg, yes, 3 kg 325 grams. Then what is the weight of the exercise book? 1 kg 950 grams. And the weight of the empty school bag is 730 grams. Okay, so don't write anything in the kilograms column. Now we'll add all these three weights. 5 plus 0 plus 0, yes, 5. Then 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 3, yes, 7 plus 3, 10. So what we will write here? 0, and we will give 1 carry. Okay, then 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 9, 13. Then 13 plus 7, 13 plus 7, yes, after 13, count your 7 fingers, 13 plus 7, 20. So what we will write here? 0, and we will give 2 as a carry. Then 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So what is the weight of the filled school bag? 6 kilogram and 5 gram. Okay, what is the weight of the filled school bag? 6 kilogram 5 gram. Because here in the bag some books are there and some exercise books are there. Okay, when we will add these two weights, then we will get the weight of the books only. Okay, and in that if we will add the weight of the empty bag, then we will get the weight of the filled bag. Okay, so what is the weight of the filled school bag? 6 kilogram 5 gram. Understood? Now see the next example, fifth number. Read the question. A bucket full of water weighs 16 kg to 30 gram. The weight of the empty bucket is 1 kg 765 gram. What is the weight of water in the bucket? See, what is the question? A bucket full of water weighs 16 kg to 30 gram. With water, the weight of the bucket is 16 kg to 30 gram. And the weight of the empty bucket is 1 kilogram 765 gram. And the question is, what is the weight of the water in the bucket? What we have to do? Here we have to find out the weight of the water only. Okay, weight of the filled bucket is 16 kg to 30 gram, and the weight of the empty bucket is 1 kg 765 gram. Okay, if we will subtract weight of the empty bucket from the weight of the filled bucket, if we will subtract, then we will get the weight of the water. Understood? So let us do the subtraction here. What was the weight of the full filled bucket? 16 kg to 30 gram. 16 kg to 30 gram. Okay, this is grams column, this is kilograms column. From filled bucket we have to subtract the weight of the empty bucket. So what is the weight of the empty bucket? 1 kg 765 gram. Now do the subtraction, then we will get the weight of the water. Start from the grams column. 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5. Can you do 0 minus 5? No. We can't do 0 minus 5. Why? Because 0 is smaller than 5. So here we can't do the subtraction. Then what you will do? Yes, you have to cut this 0, write as it is, then go to the neighbor. Here neighbor is having 3. So take 1 borrow from the 3. So 3 minus 1 here, 2 will remain and this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 5. Now you can subtract very easily. 10 minus 5, yes, 5. So write here 5. Then 2 minus 6. Again 2 minus 6 is not possible. Why? Because 2 is smaller than 6. So we can't do subtraction here. So what you will do? Cut these 2, write as it is, then go to the neighbor. Here neighbor is having 2. So take 1 borrow from this neighbor. So 2 minus 1, here 1 will remain and this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6, 6. So write here 6. Then 1 minus 7, again it is not possible. So cut this 1, write as it is. Go to the neighbor, here 6 is there. So take 1 borrow from this 6. So here 6 minus 1, here 5 will remain and this 1 will become 11. Now 11 minus 7. Yes, after 7 you have to count your fingers till 11. So 11 minus 7, 4. So write here 4. Now we'll subtract the kilograms. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. And here only 1 is there. So 1 minus 0, 1. Okay. So what is the weight of the water in the bucket? Yes, the weight of the water in the bucket is 14 kg 465 gram. 14 kg 465 gram. This is the weight of the water only. Understood? Okay. Now see the next example, sixth number. Read the question. Parvati bought 12 kg 500 gram of wheat flour. In a month, she used 9 kg 800 gram of it. How much wheat flour was left with her? See, what is the question? Parvati bought 12 kg 500 gram of wheat flour. Initially, she bought 12 kg 500 gram of wheat flour. Out of that 12 kg 500 gram, she used 9 kg 800 gram. And the question is, how much wheat flour was left with her? See the word left. Left means here you have to do the subtraction. Initially, how much wheat flour she bought? 12 kg 500 gram. Out of 12 kg 500 gram, she used only 9 kg 800 gram. And the question is, how much wheat flour was left with her? So here what you have to do? Here we have to do the subtraction. So let us do the subtraction. From 12 kg 500 gram, from 12 kg 500 gram, we have to subtract weight of the used wheat flour, that is 9 kg 800 gram. 9 kg 800 gram. Then we will get the weight of the left wheat flour. Okay. See, 0 minus 0, 0. Here also 0. Here 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 is not possible. Why? Because 5 is smaller than 8. So here 5 minus 8 is not possible. So what we do? Just cut this 5, write as it is. Then go to the neighbor. Here 2 is there. So take 1, borrow from this 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. Here 1 will remain. And this 5 will become 15 now. Now 15 minus 8. After 8, you have to count your fingers till 15. Yes, count your fingers and tell me the answer. 15 minus 8. Correct, 7. So write here 7. Now we will subtract the kilograms. Here 1 minus 9. Again 1 minus 9 is not possible. So cut this 1, write as it is. Go to the neighbor. Here only 1 is there. So 1 minus 1, 0. And here this 1 will become 11. 11 minus 9, 2. Here 0 is there. So here no need to write 0. So what is the weight of the... Yes, how much wheat flour is left? 2 kilogram 700 gram wheat flour is left with her. Understood? Next question. See the 7th number. In a provision shop, there were 90 kg 700 gram of pulses. 58 kg 900 gram of pulses were sold in a day. How much was left in the shop? See, what is the question? In a provision shop means in one shop, initially there were 90 kg 700 gram of pulses. Means initially the shopkeeper was having 90 kg 700 gram of pulses. Then from that he sold 58 kg 900 gram of pulses. Okay, and the question is, how much was left in the shop? See, again the word left is there. Means again here also we have to do the subtraction. Okay, so from 90 kg 700 gram, if we will subtract the weight of the sold pulses, then we will get the weight of the left pulses. Okay, how much pulses was left in the shop, then that we will get after subtraction. subtraction. Okay, so initially how much pulses was there with shopkeeper? 90 kg 700 gram. So from that we have to subtract the sold pulses in a day. So let us do the subtraction. 90 kg 700 gram 90 kg 700 gram. Okay, initially this much pulses was there in the shop. Okay, then in one day the shopkeeper sold 58 kg 900 gram pulses. Okay, so after subtraction we will get the weight of the left pulses in the shop. So do the subtraction. 7 0 minus 0 0, here also 0. 7 minus 9, 7 minus 9, yes, 7 minus 9 is not possible. So what we will do? Yes, cut this 7, write as it is, then go to the neighbor. Here neighbor is having only 0, then again what to do? Yes, again we will move to the next neighbor. Here this neighbor is having 9, so we will take one borrow from this 9. So 9 minus 1, here 8 will remain and this 0 will become 10. Now from this 10 we will take one borrow. So here 10 minus 1, 9, and this 7 will become 70. Understood? Now do the subtraction. 17 minus 9. Yes, 17 minus 9. After 9 you have to count your fingers till 17. So 17 minus 9, yes, correct, 8. So write here 8. Now subtract the kilograms. Here 9 is there and here 8 is there. 9 minus 8, 1. Then 8 minus 5, 3. Okay, so how much was left in the shop? How much weight of the pulses left in the shop? 31 kg 800 gram pulses left in the shop. Understood? Now one more question is remaining. See the last question. Read the question. A fruit seller had 50 kg of apples. He sold 5 kg 625 gram to one customer and 7 kg 205 gram to another customer. Find the weight of apples left with him. See, what is the question? A fruit seller had 50 kg of apples. Initially the total weight of the apple were 50 kg. Okay, and he sold 5 kg 625 gram to one customer and 7 kg 205 gram to another customer. Find the weight of the apples left with him. So what you have to do? Just you have to first of all you have to add the weight of the sold apples. Okay, he sold 5 kg 625 gram to one customer and 7 kg 205 gram to another customer. Okay, so initially first we have to find out the weight of the sold apples. Okay, then that total weight of the sold apples we have to subtract from the these 50 kg apples, because initially the shopkeeper were having 50 kg apples. So what you have to do? First step, 5 kg 625 gram plus 7 kg 205 gram. Okay, you have to add these two numbers and then you have to subtract whatever weight you will get, that weight you have to subtract from the 50 kg. So in this way try to solve this last example. Understood? So today in this way we have completed exercise 5.11. In the next session we will see the next part. Thank you.